Hi guys, welcome back to my apartment, a place that you have been many times before. I am moving so soon, like right around the corner, so I thought I would do an apartment tour before I move and show you guys the place that I've been living for the past 2 years. And yeah, a lot of you guys have been requesting like an updated one, so I thought I would do this quickly before I leave and never return. So it's kind of sad, bittersweet, and have been so lucky to live in this apartment. Like, seriously got so lucky, even though I was living in a loft without my fourth wall or a door, but I made it work and it's been really good. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. So I'm just gonna get right into it and kind of do more of like a vlog style breakdown of everything. And it's not the cleanest it's ever been, but I thought I would be real with you guys and show you guys how I actually live. So let's just get right into it. When you walk through the door, we have this little alcove, a little thing that's a stay a while that we've just had for so long, so we kept it. And then we just have some like reusable Trader Joe's bags. And then so many shoes, like a bunch of sneakers, just a whole collection of all of our shoes. Not very exciting, but yeah, we have a lot of shoes, so that's that. And then you'll walk into the apartment and you will see Isabel's sign that says shoes off or die, because she has a really strict no shoes in the house policy. This is our kitchen. I'm sure you guys are so familiar with this by now, but yeah, we have so much counter space, which is something that I will seriously miss because it just makes cooking so much easier. We have our toaster oven. Up here we always just keep all of our fruits and stuff, usually in a bowl, but I guess they're just chilling there right now. We have some nice little shelves for decor. We usually keep like a bunch of mugs and stuff up here. And then we kind of have like our cooking station, which we have like all of our go-to spices and like oils and stuff that we cook with right here. And then like more spices in this drawer, which is really convenient because our stove is right here, which is great. And then of course we have an oven and some really weird looking towels right now. We have a lot of pans too, so we just kind of keep them sitting out all the time because I think it's just kind of laziness, but also it's just so much easier than having to find space for them elsewhere, just to like bring them out again. So we really just kind of keep them there for now. We have our wall, which I love this. It's basically just a collection of postcards and Polaroids and all of the fun things we've done like the past 3 years. So it really is just so collective of memories, and yeah, I love this wall. I think it's so cute and it has so much nostalgia flooded in here. The fridge, we have our appliances. So we have our aerolizer, which is like for zoodles. We have our blender, an air fryer that actually just kind of shorted on me, which is sad. And then our fridge. Then I have my soda stream that I need to go get a new carbonator for. The sink and stuff, we have this beautiful blue tile I really love. It's a sink, some soap, there are some dishes in the sink, of course, as always. And then we just leave our dishes out to dry here. We also have a dishwasher, which is really insane and something I'll probably never have again for a really long time. And then we just keep cups and stuff up here. Dishes, like some extra food and stuff. This for more storage too. This is the living room and Rose's room, but I'll take you over to the bathroom really quick. So we just have a clothes rack right here, which we use for all of our like big winter coats. And then the bathroom right here. Bathroom, we have this rug, which is infamous and everyone always asks where it's from. It's from Cold Picnic. I will link below if I can find it. Then above the toilet, we just have some little dried flowers and candles. Obviously, don't light your candles below dried flowers or else they will light up. We just have a little picture that says summer fruit. I'm not sure Isabel got this, so I don't know really what it is. Then we have our sink, a nice little plant that we always have right there, some more dried flowers, candles, A little Lisa Says Ga scrunchie and some rings, and then some matches, of course. B-room essentials. This is just like my skincare cabinet, which looks so messy right now, but as I've said, I have been kind of knowing that I am moving. Then our shower just looks like this. So yeah, just your average shower. And then it does have another mirror on this side of the bathroom, which is super nice. But yeah, so mirrors everywhere. So we're going into Isabel's room, which you guys are also familiar because I always film in here. So you walk in and that's her closet in there, which has a nice big mirror. And one of the best features about this room is super high ceilings. So you can't really tell in my other videos, but her ceilings are really, really high, which just makes this room feel really big. And Isabel is just great at decorating, so her room always looks really nice. She just has some flowers, beautiful hanging pot, a little Matisse. Our balcony, so if you go out here, beautiful balcony, like so. And then our garden that kind of died, which was a really big bummer. We all went out of town for 1 week and just thought it would be okay, and it really never came back to life after that. And there's a little doggo down there. But yeah, super nice view, and it's a pretty good size too, so nice to hang out here. In this corner, she has this little shelving, which she got at Dobbin Street, I believe. And then a little chair that's like this fuzzy little stool. And another bigger plant in the corner, super cute. And then she has this little glass shelving here that she keeps like all of her beautiful skincare on. This is like jealousy that I'm feeling right now. It's so beautiful. This room is just amazing because it gets so much light. She has a big mirror up there, which is great for like opening up the space. I think she got this at IKEA. And then another matching hanging plant over here, and my filming chair. This is the chair that I like always film on in here. So yeah, this is her room. I've told you guys this before, but she just gets such better light in here that it's like crucial for me to film in here, which she's so nice to let me do that. But yeah, her room is so beautiful. If you guys want to follow her on Instagram, her Instagram is probably just as beautiful as her room. Now we have our living room, which is, again, has these super high ceilings and this super janky chandelier. So yeah, you walk in, we have another plant here and some hooks that kind of get overwhelmed by all of our stuff, but we just kind of keep all of our bags that we use more frequently down here, and we like leave our keys and stuff hanging there. And then we have this big mirror, which I'm sure you guys know as well if you follow me on Instagram. Then we have this little cubicle guy that just has some really long plants. These plants grow really well in this lighting, so they are very long. And just some like knickknacks and books in there. And then we have our TV. You guessed it, another plant. It was Rose's birthday recently, so we still have her birthday balloons up, so happy birthday to Rose. Then we have this beautiful pink chair, which is from Dobbin Street Co-op, that Rose bought, so she'll be taking this with her. But it's super nice and suede, and if you guys live in New York, you have to go to Dobbin Street. They're seriously amazing, and they have 3 locations, so they have so much good vintage furniture. Then as we turn, we have our little coffee table that we just keep books and stuff on it, and just some random vases, knickknacks, all that good stuff. This is from IKEA too. We bought too much stuff from IKEA when we first moved in because we didn't know what else to do, where I wish I would have waited and bought more vintage stuff. Again, some rookie mistakes. This couch really didn't do us that well. We ordered it online and it's just a lot smaller than we ever imagined, and we thought it was gonna be like a fluffy couch, but it's kind of like pretty firm and not the kind of couch you want to sit and watch a movie on. And then a plant stand that Isabel bought And it used to be in her room and then she moved it out here. Into the kitchen, this is not like the most aesthetic part, but we have these really amazing stools that have like a wooden top that just like looks like reclaimed log almost. It's sweet. And then they just have a metal bottom, fruit, another like counter that you can eat and sit and eat here, which is really nice. And then this is kind of like where we put useful stuff, is in this corner under the stairs. So I have like my yoga mat, my printer, cleaning supplies. I usually just like have both my tripods sitting here because I just never put them away, which probably is annoying for my roommates. Okay guys, and I'm kind of late on this. This is Rose's room. Rose and I are both moving out, so she already started packing because she has to move before I do. So I'm gonna insert some clips. She used to have a whole collage wall that's so beautiful up here. And then that whole shelf was covered in like beautiful knickknacks, which I loved. I'm gonna insert some pictures from her Instagram because I'm sure she probably has some, so you guys get an idea of what it looked like before she started packing, which is so sad. It's so sad to see these boxes in here. And then she just has her bed. This has changed from the last apartment tour I did. I think she got a new comforter. Again, there's so much light in her room. Above there is another whole window that goes all the way up to the ceiling. So yeah, she gets amazing light in here. She has these really pretty little dried flowers on the wall, which I love. Rose is also amazing at decorating. I'm really the dud in this house when it comes to decorating. So she just has this cute little nightstand that's white and wicker, little glasses nose holder, and then this is amazing as well. So she has this giant shelf with books, another shelf with me in it with a little mirror and plants, aloe, and then she has like some skincare, makeup dealio down here as well. And then her closet also has a mirror, which I'm not gonna invade her space and show you what's in it, but yeah, so it's super open as well. I do like in this apartment how they just have so many mirrors. So I live up there. That is my loft. Let's go up there. Prepare to be underwhelmed. So these are my super steep stairs that I have to climb every day. So I keep all of my like random hats and bags just on this little hook because that just felt like the right place for them. So I'll show you guys, if I open the curtains up, I do get like some light up here, but without lights on, it is like super dark. I just have my bed over here. I think at one point I had it over here in this corner of the room, but this is definitely the best use of space to have it in this corner over here. So I just have my bed, and then I have like some little prints on the wall. Again, I'm just like not huge on interior decorating, or at least I haven't been super inspired by my space here. We'll see about the future. I just have this little shelving behind my bed, which I just keep all of my earrings, like my contacts and glasses, nail polish, like some cute little vases, which are kind of just like not properly put on there, and then some Polaroids as well. Below, I keep like books back there and all of my vitamins as well, just kind of all back there. Below my bed, I have it lined with these like little foldable boxes, which I found was a good way to store extra clothing for like different seasons, and that just helped me like get a little bit more organized and make use of the space under my bed. And then I have my little nightstand that just has a plant, some lotions, perfume, like knickknacks, hair clips, pill, prescription, some water, stay hydrated. And then below is where I keep my makeup, all right here. So I have my hair clips and stuff in a little bowl right there, and then I organized my makeup with just some old candle holders that I cleaned out, which make really nice jars to keep any like little sticks and stuff in there. Work really well, or like makeup brushes. I have this fan that Isabel brought me back from Paris that I love. So in this corner I have this chair, which I bought a while ago. And then below I keep like camera gear and also scarves in that little basket. It doesn't really make sense, but I always know where they are. And then I love, this is my favorite thing in my room, is this duck basket. Like, I would not trade anything for this duck basket. I love it so much. I think it's so cool. So yeah, I really admire that. That's a win. I think I might have the best piece of the house with this. Not sure. And then this giant plant that is not necessarily thriving, but it's not dead yet. Again, I don't think it gets enough sun up here. I am really looking forward to having it in my new space that has a lot more sun that I will have direct access to, which is really nice. So I'm excited to see her thrive a little bit better in my new place. Next, we have these beautiful little cutouts that I just got out of like an old art book that I thrifted. And then Meredith, one of my best friends, drew me those and painted me those like years ago, and I just still have them on my wall because they remind me of her. And then, like the other rooms, we have my closet here, which I'll show you because it's mine. So I have just like all my shirts and stuff there. And then up top I keep denim. And then on this side I have all my dresses, laundry. I have a little plastic bin for like underwear. And here's just our water heater and stuff, but we do have a washer and dryer in there as well, which is the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I don't have one in my new place, so I'm gonna miss that. Honestly, not a bad little space for what it is. It's this little nook in the house that has become my room for 2 years, and it really was not horrible. I would probably do it again if someone asked me. But that's home. This is home. So yeah, that's my apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Facts about our apartment: this is technically a 2-bedroom. We converted it to a 3-bedroom, which is why I live in the loft. So that's why rent is way cheaper for us than it would be for someone who is just living here with 2 rooms. Yeah, I'll be making some moving vlogs as well coming up soon. So make sure to stay tuned for that if you want to see like the moving process and like how I found a new place and stuff like that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you so soon with the next one.